Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. Today, I want to talk about why bookkeeping is so important. Many businesses and nonprofits right now are in a cash crunch. We're in the summer of 2023, and there's many issues facing organizations. And I want to provide some encouragement on why you should continue to keep your bookkeeping up to date. I recently went to a business grant workshop, and during that workshop, the presenter stated that 25% of the applicants are denied due to lack of financial information or other missing documentation. And once again, that statement, hit a button in me being an accountant, because that's why bookkeeping is so important. Bookkeeping is the foundation. And as business owners and nonprofit executives, it is our responsibility to manage the books so we can go after opportunities. And with bookkeeping, yes, it's not fun for a lot of people. However, it needs to be done. And you should ask yourself, why are you in business? Yes, you want to, you're solving a problem. However, you want to generate money. In business and a nonprofit, you have to generate money. You have to pay your people. You have to buy supplies. You have to put on events. So, this is why bookkeeping is so important, because the bookkeeping tells you what is coming in, what's going out. Then you can work with those two numbers and say, okay, I need to bring more money in so I can pay these expenses, or I can possibly reduce these expenses, still bring in more money and have a gross profit. So let's talk about what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is just the organizing and recording of the data, creating invoices, entering bills in QuickBooks, paying bills, bank and credit card reconciliation. It's the day-to-day things that is the foundation. Those duties have to be done in order for you to have financial statements and other financial reports. So, here are three things as business owners and nonprofit executives that you need to know for bookkeeping. Number one, you have to take responsibility. Even if you hire someone to do your books, ultimately, everything that goes on in your business, your nonprofit, it is your responsibility. So take responsibility. Ensure things are getting done. Have your own checks and balances. Number two, you want to have a monthly check in. So if you hire someone to do your books, you want to have a standing meeting with them. Once again, there should be a standing meeting, not a email exchange, but a in-person or a virtual meeting where the both of you are reviewing the financial statements. There should be no shock in December or when tax season comes that you don't know what's going on. So you want to have a monthly check-in where you're reviewing the financial reports. Then number three, bookkeeping is so important because it opens opportunities. So, met with a client this week, and I was so happy when he told me this, because there's a possibility for him to get a large contract, a large six-figure contract. And that opportunity came along because the books are in order. And also, he has taken responsibility for everything that goes on in his business. So not only is Inside Financial doing the books, but he also looks at the books. He's looking at sales. He's looking to see who still owes. He's looking at his team members, their time, like what are they spending their time on? He's providing them training. Also, he does training himself, going to conferences. So the bookkeeping, it is the foundation that will allow you to go after opportunities. It will allow you to go apply for grants, to apply for loans. So, take this all into consideration. Yes, you may be struggling with cash, but keep at it, keep your books up to date. And just remember, subscribing to QuickBooks is not bookkeeping. There is work that has to be done. So if you are struggling with maintaining your books, message us for a free consultation and let's see how we can work together. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and make sure you share this with a fellow business owner and nonprofit executive who may need a little encouragement. We'll see you.